Flowers are the reproductive parts of the plant. They may be present in two forms, that is solitary flower or inflorescence. Individual flower, when borne singly on the pedicel, this arrangement is known as solitary flower. And when a cluster of flower or group of flowers arranged on a floral axis, then this arrangement is called inflorescence. You can see here in the diagram, this is the solitary flower and this one is the inflorescence. This is the main stem, these are the leaves, and this is the single flower. The flower may be attached with the help of a stalk with the stem or without this stalk. This stalk is known as pedicel. When this stalk is present between the flower and main stem, then these flowers are called pedicellate flower. And when the flower is directly attached to the stem and the pedicel is absent, then that flower is known as sessile flower. Inflorescence. This is the main stem, these are the leaves, and this is the flowering axis, common flowering axis. The common flowering axis is known as peduncle. It acts like a flowering stem. You can see the individual flower borne only on this flowering stem or this flowering axil. This is called peduncle. You can see here the older flower is either present at the base or it may be present at the tip. This is the diagrammatic representation of inflorescence. Inflorescence is further divided into two types on the basis of arrangement of older flower and younger flower. That is racemose inflorescence and cymose inflorescence. In racemose inflorescence, the main axis grow indefinitely, producing flower along its length. You can see here in the diagram, this is the main stem and this is the flowering axis or peduncle. You can see here that the flowering axis is continues to grow. The older flower are present at the base while the younger one are present at the tip. The oldest flowers are towards the base, as you can see in the diagram of the inflorescence, and the youngest one are at the apex. This is the top and this one is the bottom. You can see that at the bottom the oldest flower are present and the youngest one are at the top. Racemose inflorescence is further divided into many types. That is typical raceme, spike, catkin, panicle, corium, umbel and capitulum. Cymose inflorescence. In cymose inflorescence, the main axis ends in a flower and the subsequent flower develop below the terminal flower, each ending in a flower like main axis. You can see here in the diagram. This is the main stem, this is the flowering axil, and these are the youngest flower. The oldest flower are at the apex of the inflorescence and the youngest one are towards the base. This is the main difference between the racemose inflorescence and cymose inflorescence. You can compare both these diagrams. You will see that here in racemose inflorescence, the oldest flower are at the base and the youngest one are at the top or towards the apex. While here you will see that the oldest flower is toward at the top or the apex and the youngest one is at the base. Cymose inflorescence is further divided into three types, that is uniparous cyme, biparous cyme and multiparous cyme. We will discuss these topics in the next lecture.